Grove Acre in Pacific Grove at the corner of Sunset and Grove Acre. Come on in. We'll do a virtual tour here of this home, listing by Sean Quinn of Sotheby's International Realty. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,200 square feet. The lot's almost 9,000 square feet. So you're at the corner of Sunset and Grove Acre, just up the street from Asilomar Beach. This is the Asilomar neighborhood, right next to the walking trail. And the trail actually goes into Pebble Beach. You could walk to Spanish Bay actually here to go to the restaurant. So let's go back. So this is we got the living room, hardwood floors, steps out into kind of a sitting room. You can make this a TV room. You have the fireplace. This is just off the kitchen. So you have the dining room, eating kitchen, dining room, and then you have the kitchen right here. So it's nice and open, and has actually door off to a little private patio there as well. The home has had some updates done. It's double pane windows throughout, so it's very quiet here. You're close to the Pacific Grove High School, so the high school is walking distance, Forest Grove Elementary School is walking distance, and they've converted this room back here to a playroom for the kids. So if you have kids, this is a great playroom. It could be a workshop. You could do whatever you want in here. So we'll take a break and then we'll go take a look at the bedrooms downstairs. Okay, so back down here, the hallway, we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms downstairs, and one can be used as a master bedroom if you don't like going up the stairs. There is a master bedroom suite upstairs, but so downstairs we have two full baths and a bedroom. So this one could be a master bedroom. It's big enough, and you do have a full bathroom down here as well. And this home was built in the 1960s, but has had some updates. If you look out the back window here, you'll see the backyard. It's good size, and there is a chicken coop. No chickens in it now, but if you want to have some egg-laying chickens, you could do that. And a built-in little outdoor barbecue thing too. All right, so back here, we have bedrooms 2 and 3, which are good size. Nice and bright with the hardwood floors, clean paint. Bedroom 3 here could be used as an office or bedroom, however you like. Looks like they're using it as an office. And then there is an extra room right here, which is off of the front door and the entrance to the garage. Using it kind of like a mudroom type thing. You could use it as an office. Kids could do remote school here, but just give you some extra space to play with. So we'll head upstairs and take a look at the master bedroom suite, okay? Okay, so right now we're at the upstairs. We're on the deck that overlooks the ocean. You have some ocean views out here. It's a little overcast today, so hard to see, but you will get a nice sunset. This is Sunset Avenue that goes down towards Asilomar Beach. Come on into the master suite. This is an extra large, oversized master suite with double pane windows, double pane slider, 2 separate closet areas. Master bathroom is off the hallway right down there. Okay, this oversized master suite has linoleum floors that are new, so it puts up with a lot of abuse. The master bathroom is ensuite, so it's right off of here. You have a separate sink area on one side, double sinks here, and then you have an area to get ready before you go out on that side. It has a tub and a separate shower up here. So this oversized master suite at 865 Grove Acre is the 4th bedroom. Like I said, you do have a master bedroom downstairs. So if stairs are a problem for you, you could use this for guests. This is on the market for $1.595 million with Sean Quinn of Sotheby's International Realty. If you are interested in seeing this home for a private tour, give me a call, Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty at 831-238-8116, or shoot me an email at patrick.ryan@sotheby'shomes.com. Also, if you're interested in looking more videos for Pacific Grove, subscribe to our YouTube station, which is Monterey Peninsula Real Estate. There we have neighborhood tours, and we have video on short-term rentals. We also have other virtual tours of homes that have been for sale here on the Monterey Peninsula. We love it down here. We like helping people move down here, buy homes. We also help people sell homes. So if you have a home that you think of a listing, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. So until next time, have a great day.